Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix left Alt and Windows keys are swapped on Windows 11, 10. First method is press function and Win/Mac key. Second method is press function and space for 3 seconds. Third method is press function and A keys. Fourth method is press function and S keys. Fifth method is press function, Ctrl, and L keys. Sixth method is press function and E keys. Seventh method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall keyboard driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.